Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Carolyn and her clothes. This is take 2 for me because the first time I was talking and apparently I wasn't recording. So today I have a spring shoe haul for you. I purchased 3 shoes from 3 different places. Before I show you them, I want to discuss with you something that I did buy when I was supposed to be on my no buy, but I then broke down. Not very exciting, so it wasn't a huge indulgence, but I needed some new underwear. And I wanted to talk about these underwear because I really enjoy them, and if you're looking for a new type of underwear, these might be good for you. They're from Soma, which is a lingerie store. They're actually owned by Chico's White House Black Market. I bought the Vanishing Edge Micro Bikini, okay? So they're like a microfiber fabric, so like, I guess like a nylon, soft nylon, and they have these grippers around the side that I do not notice or feel, and they help keep the underwear stay in place, and then there's no seam. So I really like these, and I've actually had these pairs before, and I've also had a similar pair in lace around the top of it. And even though the lace are really pretty and I really like them, the lace did not hold up for my lifestyle. As most of you know, I work out at a gym. I come home, I'm all sweaty, I pull off my clothes, throw them in the laundry basket, and they just get washed. I do not have the time or patience to hand wash my underwear or even put them in a garment bag. They need to be free in that wash and get washed well. So the lace is not working for my lifestyle, but I do like these. These are without the lace. They're bikini style. They do have them in thong if you prefer thong, hipster, and brief. The bikinis so far work best for me, although I do wish there was more fabric around the hip, like just maybe a little bit thicker around this. But I looked at the hipsters and they would have come up too high on me. So I stuck with my normal bikini. And I got 5 pairs of these, and I'm a black/beige type of person. Those are the only 2 colors I wear in my drawer. And I got 5 pairs for $46 and change, which is pretty good because one pair, you can see it, is usually $18. I don't know if that's coming and focusing for you, but one pair is usually $18. So 5 pairs for 46 and change is not too bad. I think it's still crazy, but hopefully these last a long time. And like I said, I really like the way they feel on me. They're very comfortable. Oh, and I do go a size up in these. These are size small. I found the extra small when I had the lace ones is that they were really pretty much too tight. They were like digging into my hip area, and then that kind of defeats the whole purpose of the Vanishing Edge. Okay, shoes. Warning, these might not be your style. I know that my style in shoes is a little bit out there for some people, so I wanted to show you what I purchased. I'm going to show you the second to last pair I purchased first. So I purchased these Steve Madden. All right, let me see if I can find the name of these. These are the Twice Mary Jane bone and patent leather. So they have the Mary Jane style, which I know some of you aren't into, but I know it's very big this spring, and I like the Mary Jane style. So it has 2 straps with Velcro here that are adjustable. It has an enormous, thick, tall heel. So if you're worried about stability, this is not going to be a problem with stability because they're very high, but still they're very high and very thick. So, it has a very thick platform, rubber sole, a square toe, and they're shiny patent leather. I kind of quickly tried these on. I'm going to try them on again with my outfit that I'm currently wearing, all these shoes. And I'm warning you, my outfit does not go with these shoes. I personally wouldn't style these shoes with this outfit I'm wearing. I just do not want to style them. But I'm going to try them all on, make my final decision, although I think I know which ones I'm going to keep. And then the ones that I'm not going to keep, I want to run out and return today because I want them off my credit card before my bill comes in. All right? So that's this pair of shoes. These were $100. $99 was my price at Macy's. I think I had some star rewards. Not a lot, but some star rewards. So I paid $99 for those. Next up were the first pair of Mary Janes that I bought. My mother-in-law, very kind to her, gave me for my birthday a gift card at Bloomingdale's, and I've been looking for something to buy there. Usually I find tons of stuff, but they hadn't gotten their spring stuff in yet. And I want spring or spring transition. And woohoo, they finally got their shoes in. So I saw these. These are by Sam Edelman. They're $140, but like I said, I had a gift card, so my out-of-pocket was pretty minimal, maybe like $30. Again, the square toe. The heel isn't quite as high as the Steve Madden. They have a sling back versus full enclosure, and it's a buckle, all right? It is not a strap, but there's a little bit of elastic here on the sling back, so I might be able to get my foot in without unbuckling them. All right, I'm gonna do a side-by-side comparison to the Steve Madden so you can get an idea of how they're different. All right, this one, the Steve Madden, is a little bit lighter in color. This is more, I would say, a bone color, where Steve Madden is more of an ivory color, but they're very, very similar. Look at the heel difference on the two of them. The Steve Madden has way bigger of a platform, way thicker of a heel, okay? And again, this one has the sling back and this one does not, okay? So I'll give those a try, and you'll look at them on my feet, and I'll, based on comfort, which pair I'm keeping. Third pair of shoes are a completely different style that I saw from Stitch Fix. Again, I'm looking for a pair of spring transition shoes. And these are totally in style now, but I don't necessarily think they're my style. When I was from 9th through 12th, even in early years of college, this totally would have been my style. I loved a good loafer as a kid, But as I grew older, I'm like, loafers? Like, I kind of been there, done that. I'm kind of a grown up now. I want to wear heels because I can wear heels. And I kind of want to wear heels until I can no longer wear heels. I want to take every advantage of this opportunity while I can still wear heels. So I'm not so sure I'm quite ready for a loafer yet, but I know they're really in style, and I said, well, let me give them a try. It's been years since I really, worked with loafers. Maybe I'll like them, and maybe it'll be like something I can walk around in hours and hours and do like long shopping instead of sneakers. So these are by Sam Edelman. They were from Stitch Fix, $150. They were haunting me on my freestyle, or trending for you. They have the gold chain at the top, not too bulky. It's a nice small detail. They're a nice bone color. Let's see what else I can tell you about them. They do seem to have a decent amount of padding in here, and the heel is a chunky heel. So yes, they're expensive, but honestly, the $150 for Sam Edelman is pretty much about par for MSRP. Sure, if you go to a department store, they'll eventually go on sale, but as you know, Stitch Fix seldom has sales. So, and here is the bottom of the shoe, so you can get an idea. Obviously, it's a dark bottom with a contrasting top. I think I prefer to have an all ivory bottom versus the contrast too, but like I said, these are in style. I'll give them a shot. So I'm gonna try all these on for you with the current outfit I'm wearing. They do not go with this outfit. I do not feel like styling them for you, so don't say in the comments, go, that looks awful with that outfit. I know, I'm trying them on for size so I can make the final determination which pair I'm gonna keep, and then I'm gonna run and return the pairs I don't want. So give me a minute. Okay, first up are the Steve Madden ones for $99, all right? Right away, they are kind of difficult to get on because they're kind of plasticky. So it's like I'm squishing my feet into them. They're not going in smoothly because they are very plasticky. And yes, I know they're patent leather, and yes, I knew that. The other thing is that they are a little bit tight around my bunions. Not horrendous, but a little bit tight. And they are a little bit tight here around the back of my left heel in particular. The right one seems fine, but the left seems to be rubbing back there. Honestly, these are not comfortable at all. I mean, I wouldn't expect them to be comfortable, but I guess if I had like an event to wear these two, I can wear them and tolerate them. But I'm looking more for a shoe I would wear more on an everyday basis. And you're looking at me, Carolyn, those are not everyday shoes. Well, Carolyn can make them everyday shoes if she wants to, okay? Like I said, I am going to be wearing heels as long as I can wear heels. But I don't think these are the ones for me because I just don't feel they're as comfortable as I would like them to be. All right, I'll come a little bit closer and pan down so you can get a better view what they look like on. Okay. They're very, very high, but they're stable because they're having a super thick sole and a platform. All right, a little view this way. All right, so I think I'm going to be sending these back to Macy's today. Let me try on the Sam Edelman in the similar style. Okay, give me a minute. Next up are the Sam Edelman that I got from Bloomingdale's using a gift card. This heel height is way more manageable for me and one I'm way more comfortable with These are also not rubbing on my bunions. They're wide enough for my feet. The sling back, because there is a sling back, makes it very comfortable on my heel. I did not have to unbuckle them to put them on. I was able to stretch them right over to get them on my heel. And I would say that these are going to be the ones I am going to keep because I find them pretty comfortable for my feet and a style that I was looking for. Now I know not everybody likes this Mary Jane style, but I love it. I think it's very retro 1940 look. Let me pan down a little bit further so you can get a better close-up look at them. Again, excuse because I'm not styling them with the right outfit, but I wanted you to get a good view of them. All right, and there's the other side and the front. All right, next up are the loafers. All right, last up are the loafers from Stitch Fix. And no joke, these are comfortable, not gonna lie. But to be honest, I really do not need 2 pairs of ivory colored shoes for spring. Plus, in the fall, I also got a pair of mule type loafers that are in tan. So I really don't need 2 of like loafer looking styles in a light color. These are comfortable, so I'm not going to be opposed to getting something like these in the fall, maybe in a brown or a black. But for now, I think I'm going to pass on these. They are comfortable. They're wide enough in the footbed for my bunions. They are a little bit big around my heel. I don't know, let me actually pan down a little bit more so you can see that. I don't know if you can see there's like a little bit room here in the back. I probably have to wear those little sticky slider things. Like right now with no socks on, they're not falling off my feet, but they would if I were wearing socks, unless they were really thick socks, which I wouldn't want to do. So these are going back only because I found the pair that I was kind of looking for, but definitely keeping this pair, Sam Edelman, what were they called? I'll leave a link below, from Stitch Fix. If they have them in brown and black, I'm definitely be interested in them in the fall. But for the spring, 1 pair of ivory shoes is good enough, and the platform Mary Janes were exactly what I was looking for. And if you remember and watched my previous video, What's in Style is coming spring, and Mary Janes was one of them. I was so excited to hear that, and I got a pair. All right, well, thank you again for returning subscribers. If you haven't subscribed yet, why not? What's holding you back? I'm free. Click that notification bell, get notified of future videos from me, and take care. And until next time.